Hello guys, Shirkin Slayer here, or let us say Yukishiro here, and today or tonight we gonna react and know what is coming up at version 2.1 at Wuthering Waves. And sorry for the late late reaction guys, cause I am too busy in school stuff. And what the heck, it released in 3 point in January 9. Sorry for my voice if it's too low cause it's already night in my country. As you can see in my time is 10:06 right now. And yeah. Okay guys, it's PB guys. It's PB is coming, and let us read her post lament Anthropocene stars intertwine PB. PB weaves lives into intricate dancing patterns of dazzling ripples. With every graceful motion, she gathers the radiance of hope, shaping its glow into warmth and serenity. Okay, okay, Additionally, guys, I I forget I forget to read this. I read a wrong archive of PB. This is the real archive and post-lament Anthropocene of PB. Sorry for the error. I read the wrong one, but let's continue. As you can see, my time is 10:16 because read read the wrong one. So I'll gonna read again. Post lament Anthropocene stars intertwine. Praise the sentinel. May they guide you to compassion enlightenment. PB. This is the real archive. PB, an acolyte of the Order of the Deep, always carries herself with warmth and grace. Oh, devout and steadfast in adherence in order doctrines. Okay, from what I remember, she is a order's acolyte. She embodies exceptional self-discipline, yet beneath her composed exterior burns by bright spirit, a light with heartfelt joy for all she holds dear. Okay, this is her archive. Well, her archive in my first one that I read is also Fox, but I forgot to read this. I forgot to read this one. But yeah, it now depicts that PB is a spectro, and it depicts her character, which is an acolyte and one of the order, or let's say she is the order's acolyte. And I'm very curious about her story at 2.1 because 2.0 and in cliffhanger, and spoiler alert, um her boss, or her boss, which is his name is Penrico, if I'm not forgotten, is Penrico, right? And trust me guys, Penrico is a liar. I think he will gonna betray PB as soon as story goes. Okay, I thought it's my is man. I think PB will gonna be a mage, or the I don't know what the weapon called in other ways, but I think she is a spectro. Okay, and lastly, the second one who will come in version 2.1 is, yep, you call it right, is Brand. Post lament Anthropocene stars intertwine. A captain, in the face of danger and adversity, the stage is set for a grandest act. Brand. As captain of the full troop, Bran exudes a carefree, easygoing charm, unbound by convention. Beneath the flamboyant personal lies a genuine heart deeply devoted to his family's companions. His life is dedicated to securing a safe haven for the troops members. Okay, man, the splash art is so good. It depicts the pirates. Not gonna lie, guys. I thought Bran will gonna be zesty, cause I saw his drip marketing at first at 2.0, and man, I thought he will gonna zesty. But man, I played 2.0 and I was wrong. He is one of the badass or one of the coolest character at Wuthering Waves, alongside with Carlota. I think there's many option here. Okay, okay, here we go. Attribute of PB is Spectro and Rectilinear. Okay, this is interesting. Rectilinear. Okay, rectilinear and rectilinear, not rectifier and spectro. As usual, I know it's spectro. Okay, and for Brand, what is his? Okay, ooh, it's a sword. Okay, I I don't know if he can he can also use a gun, but hopefully in his skill he can use a gun. Oh yep. Okay. 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 For my additional announcement, my announcement is just like I said earlier. I will change my name into Shirky Slayer. Yep. Right now. Yep. Announcement update. I'm gonna change my name from Shirky Slayer to Yukishiro. And for my Twitch, I'm not yet gonna change it cause my first name at Twitch is Shirky Slayer and I don't want to yet to change it cause I don't want some certain people that knows my name which is Shirky Slayer to not be confused to my name which is Yukishiro. I I changed my name into Yukishiro in YouTube, but in Twitch I'll not yet gonna change it cause it 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 prevent us for other people or other person or other content creator that knows me to not confuse with my name. Yep, that's it guys for my update. Thank you guys for watching, and this just too short because it's pretty late in my country. It's already 10:11 p.m. and yeah, see you guys in my next video, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is now Yukishiro, formerly Sugar Slayer, and don't forget to follow me on Twitch. Yep, it's still Sugar Slayer. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.